So once you click on the app and you allow it to load and open up, and then you click on this mic, you can see this mic here. You can click on it to do your tasks. If you click on it, it will take you to your room where you can just sit down and do your tasks, or you click on this me section. When you click on the me section, then you come to the tasks page. Click on the tasks. You see different tasks that you can do on the app. And by clicking on the go, it will take you to the task center where you will do the particular task that you're supposed to do. There are so many tasks here aside your 2 hours tasks. There are other daily tasks you can earn from, like exchange tasks. A lot of people get confused about this exchange task. That's the main reason I'm doing this video. So let's, for instance, you want to do your mic task. Once you click on the go, it will take you to your room where you can click on sit and sit down and do your tasks. You can see the room has opened. You have to click on this first seat first for you to sit down, because I got a lot of complaint from people that I have opened my panel, but after 1 hour, after 2 hours, I did not receive anything. For you to do your task, you must sit on a seat, because it's a party task, it's an audio task. So you have to sit on your seat for your audio to be open. When you click on this first seat as a host, as the owner of the room, that is your seat. You click on that seat and you appear. Once you appear there, then your tax automatically starts counting. You don't need to do any other thing. Your tax will start counting. Now, for you to know how long you sit in the room, is either you time yourself. Maybe if you start by 10 a.m., you know that, okay, by 12 noon, you should be done with your tax. Or you will come to this green circle here. Down here, you can click on that circle. If you click on the circle, it will take you to the task center. When the task center open, you see how many minutes you have done. If you can see my own, I've done over 100 out of 120, so I'm almost done with my task. So here you can know how many minutes exactly you've done and how many minutes is remaining for you. Once you are done with that, you see, instead of this go, it will change to a yellow color that will say claim or receive. You can click on it and then you receive it. Now, talking about the other tasks, there are so many other tasks you can do, daily tasks, which are exchange tasks. Most of them are exchange tasks. You can see this first one here that says receive a heart gift. Now, this is for you to do exchange with somebody. People find this task very confusing. Now, that receive a heart gift is you have to exchange heart gift with somebody, or somebody have to gift you a heart gift. You don't necessarily need to exchange, but if you're in your room and somebody comes to gift you heart, you can receive it, you can claim the reward. But if not, you can exchange heart with somebody. Let's, for instance, somebody come to your room, you can ask the person if he has coin for exchange. If the person say yes, that heart is just 100 coins, you can say, okay, do heart exchange for me. But most importantly, you need to note that if you are doing this exchange, for you to be able to claim, it has to be in your room. The exchange has to take place in your room. If it takes place outside your room, you will not receive it. So if somebody comes to your room and you ask the person to throw that heart at you, now you get your 70%. Yeah, they will take their 30% and give you your 70%, and you will still receive this 10 point as a gift for doing that exchange. Now, if the person comes to your room and throw this at you, for the person to be able to receive his or her own too, you have to go back to the person's room and throw back at the person. Because if you throw back at the person in your own room, the person will not receive it. Likewise, if you go to somebody's room and you do the exchange of this heart with somebody, then the person has to follow you back to your room to throw it at you. Because if the person doesn't come to your room to throw it at you, you will not receive it too. So that is how it works. It has to be in your panel. The exchange has to take place in individual's room. I hope this is understandable. So that applies to every other gift that you are seeing here too. So that is it about this gift, receiving of gift tax, and then receive a gift from a new user. If somebody is a new user and come to your room and they throw any gift at you, no matter how little it is, you will also receive. So the other ones that are there, like if you play game, any game at all, you will receive reward. If you play this fruit game and you win, you will receive reward. If you buy VIP, there is VIP trial of 99 cents. you also receive this reward. That VIP trial of 99 cents, if you buy that coin, they'll be giving you 3,005 for 3 days. You can use it to play gamble or, you know, play game and win, and in return you can exchange it. There is winning on this app. Their game give good return, so you can go ahead and try it. Now you have this other one that says 100k point earning. This is gambling. Like if you receive 1000k, sorry, 1000k gambling in your room, if they throw on you, then you receive the 2000 that is attached as reward. If they gamble on you up to 1000k, you receive the likewise the second one too. So that's practically about the daily tax on the app. Now let's move to the tax in somebody else's room. Like if you don't want to do the tax in your room, you feel you will be bored, you want to move to someone else's room to go and do tax. Let's move to that one quickly. So you come to this interface and click on this icon here, and it will open up the party icon. It will open up. You see a whole lot of people doing their tax. All those people you are seeing here, they are Nigerians doing their tax. If you want to check your own country, you can pick your country and also check. So you can click on anybody's room here and enter. So let's enter this first person's room and see if there is seat for you to do your task. Good, the seats are empty. So once you enter somebody's room like this, all you have to do is click on the seat, on any of the seats, and then sit down. You can greet the person. After that, you can go ahead and mute your mic and sit down to do your task. If you enter somebody's room, please don't leave your mic open, because it will distract. Your background may be noisy and it will be disturbing every other person in the room. So it's important that when you sit in somebody's room, you turn off your mic. Like I was talking about the exchange, if you come to her room like this and you do the exchange with her, it's very, very important that she will follow you back to your room to go and throw those daily reward exchange back at you. If not, she will be the only one to receive the reward. You will not receive. Then before you throw on somebody, make sure you click on follow and follow the person, so that in case the person doesn't follow you back to your room, you can use the follow to search for the person any other time. So it's important that when you throw a coin on somebody, make sure you follow the person. So that's all about doing tax on this app. You can also play game, you can gamble on the app. So those are basically the tax on the app. Thank you very much for watching to this point. If you're yet to subscribe, please encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, so that whenever I post video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.